Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Chapter 64. Surah Al-Taghabun. Loss and Gain. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All that is in the heavens and on the earth extols the glory of Allah. To Him belongs the kingdom, and to Him all praise is due. He has power over all things. It was He who created you, and some of you are those who deny the truth, and some of you believe in it. Allah sees everything you do. He created the heavens and the earth for a purpose. He formed you and gave you the best of forms. To Him you shall all return. He knows whatever is in the heavens and the earth. He knows all that you conceal and all that you reveal. Allah is aware of what is in your hearts. Have you not heard about those who denied the truth before you and tasted the evil consequences of their conduct? They will have a painful punishment. That was because their messengers came to them with clear signs. But they replied, "Shall mortals be our guides?" And so they rejected the truth and turned away. Allah has no need of such people. Allah is self sufficient and worthy of all praise. Those who deny the truth claim that they will never be raised up again. Say, "By my Lord, most surely you will be raised up again." And then you will be told of all that you have done. And that is easy enough for Allah. Believe then in Allah and His Messenger, and in the light which we have sent down. Allah is fully aware of all that you do. When He shall gather you all for the day of gathering, that will be the day of loss and gain. And whoever believes in Allah and does good deeds shall be forgiven their sins and admitted to gardens through which rivers flow, where they shall dwell forever. That is the supreme triumph. But those who denied the truth and rejected our signs shall be the inmates of the fire. There to remain, what an evil destination. No affliction can befall man but by Allah's permission. He guides the hearts of those who believe in Him. Allah has knowledge of all things. Obey Allah and obey the Messenger. But if you turn away, remember that our Messenger is only responsible for clearly conveying the message. Allah, there is no God but He, so let the faithful put their trust in Him. Believers, even among your wives and your children, you have enemies, so beware of them. But if you overlook their offenses and forgive and pardon them, then surely Allah is most forgiving and merciful. Your wealth and your children are only a trial. Allah's reward is great, so be mindful of Allah as best as you can, and listen and obey and spend in charity. It is for your own good. Those who guard themselves against their own greed will surely prosper. If you give a good loan to Allah, He will multiply it for you and forgive you. For Allah is appreciative and forbearing. Allah is the knower of the unseen and the seen. He is the Almighty, the Wise One. End of Surah Al Taghabur, Loss and Gain, verse 18.